Welcome to Bridging the Gap, a conversation on stimulating the housing market, being held by the National Housing Trust in association with the Incorporated Master Builders Association of Jamaica.
The IMAJ, as part of its mandate, seeks to educate, inform, and promote developments within the industry, primarily to our members and the wider industry. However, we don't limit it there. We do invite members of other, what we'd call more public organizations, the civil servants, the unions who are also our partners, the nurses, the police, and so on. We try to keep everybody informed, but our focus is largely on the industry players. What it does is, when you know beforehand, you can be prepared beforehand. So if training is required, if you need to build out some capacity, if you need to try and acquire additional plant and equipment and so on, it does prepare you. It goes both for contractors, service providers, suppliers, and so on. When you know what's going on, you can get in early. And that's a part of what the conversation today is intended to achieve. This is about business, it is about development. Another tier in our partnership with the NHT is to look at education and training to continue to improve the skills, the offerings within the industry, from the tradesmen right up to the managerial level, and the technical is included. And we will advise in the future, when those will be forthcoming, we ask that you be mindful that we are having a tradesmen workshop at the end of April. And this is for steel workers, so contractors, please make note. We'll be having a workshop for steelmen in conjunction with the Hard Trust.
As the NHT has consistently said, we are about partnerships. There is no area that we operate in that we believe is ours. We expect as much as possible to be partnering with whoever else will wish to operate within that space, within that area. Our mission is improving the quality of life of Jamaicans by facilitating home ownership and community development, particularly among low-income earners. But we are always seeking to improve the speed, the efficiency of housing construction. We now have a program, an R&D program, we are looking at alternative building systems, separate and apart from those which we use, concrete-based system which we use all the time.
These events are about engagement, about knowledge sharing between fellow industry members, fellow stakeholders, and the people that we work with and can learn things from, can debate things with, and move the industry forward. On behalf of the executive, the council members, the secretariat of the Incorporated Master Builders, I'd like to just thank the National Housing Trust, Sir Donald Moore, staff, Turnover and their staff for feeding us and hosting us today, for helping us to continue the luncheon series, and we're definitely looking forward to this crowd and more. I said I'd make it sweet, so thank you very much. We're looking forward to seeing you in the future.